Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Among working on cars, I like to collect model cars too. So I was having a few model cars that have no box. And I had this piece of plexiglass from a display stand that I'm not using anymore. So I decided to do some stands for the model cars that I have. I have some model cars that are 1/43 scale and some that are 1/24 that I want to build a stand for them. So for these that I have 1/43, I made this cardboard template and I'm trying to kind of replicate with that plexiglass piece. So I want them to sit kind of like this. So I'll cut the plexiglass to the exact size and I'll try to bend it. As you can see, this one is not straight, so I'll try to cut it down to be straight. I'll be using a knife like this one. Looking pretty good. A few scratches, but should not be very visible. I'll be cutting down a few more like this, and after that I'll try to bend them. So I managed to cut a couple of for 1/24 and 1/43. I tried to bend them to the size that I wanted, but I used a heat gun and obviously it broke. So now I'll try and put them in the oven and see if it's more flexible without breaking them. So I got a tray, added some baking paper. I'm gonna lay down all of them here. I'm gonna put them for 15 minutes and see if it's working better. As you can see, it's not working as I was hoping. So I'll try again with the heat gun. So I put another one that is a bigger scale in the oven and I left it a bit longer and to see how it comes up. This one turned up okay, but it's kind of melted a bit here. I'll do this side with the heat gun. This side, as you can see, it's a perfect 90 degrees angle. So this one turned up better than this one that I done it with the heat gun. But it's not too bad, this one too. I think I'll keep it and I'll try the other one better. As you can see, a 124 model car fits pretty well. I'm happy. Considering the fact that I didn't pay anything for it, was free, I'm okay. I'll try and do a few more and show you the end result. So this is how they turn up. Not too bad, not great. Overall, I'm happy. With the cars on, they don't look too bad. And in the display cabinet, even better. The cars sit pretty good in my opinion. This is how they look. So, if you have a better idea how to bend the plexiglass, comment below and I might give it a second try because I have plenty of spare plexiglass and might do it again. This is how they look in the display cabinet. I want to see your comments, if it's good or bad, could have done better. I have plenty of plexiglass and I can do it again. As always, don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.